Sir, yesterday I saw Ashok Chitkara sir. मुझे लगा कि मुझे उनके जैसा बनना है. Today I saw you. मुझे लग रहा है मुझे आपके जैसा बनना है.
Yes, she's honestly telling that. Yes.
But I'm not up to कि मुझे किसके जैसा बनना है. I'm not able to think कि what I need to be. And now I'm in the engineering college. I'm doing CSC. So I'm not up to कि what I have to do till date. So it's like conflicts will be in your whole life. Till the time you're not like you have not achieved one age, you're not mentally prepared. Till that time you can't be anything.
No. Anyway, this is correct. You are a very honest statement you have made that there is a conflict. But conflict के साथ जिंदगी मत जीना कभी भी. जीना conflict के साथ जिया नहीं जा सकता, कामयाब नहीं हुआ जा सकता.
Firstly, I would want to tell to that girl that it isn't about becoming somebody else, you see, it is about being the perfect you that you can build up to be. Secondly, conflicts arise out of greed because हमें ना ये सही लगता है ना वो सही लगता है. Nothing's perfect, not even the things that are in front of us. We create them because we thought of it, so they don't exist if we don't think of it. So everything in the world is perfect. It's a stage. We're all people who are meant to enact and we have a specified role to play. तो हम सब कुछ नहीं कर सकते हैं, पर जो हमें एक चीज़ करनी चाहिए उसे अच्छे से करके हम एक बहुत
I can say that you are much deep thinker than your age. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Sir, as you just said that we have to overcome our conflicts. So can you just suggest us the way? Like over here, many people are not saying what's going in them. उनके अंदर क्या problems चल रही है, जो family से उनको burden आ रहा है, वो कुछ नहीं कहेंगे अभी. But can you suggest us कुछ suggestions देना चाहोगे आप हमें?
बिल्कुल, definitely मैं बताऊंगा कि किस प्रकार से we can remain away from the conflicts. How do we resolve the conflicts in our own minds?
Sir, what I believe that we are creators of our own life. What we think we can create. We are not made to survive through each day. So conflicts, talking about the conflicts, I think one should dream so big that one should, on thinking about the dream itself, he should start laughing on it. कि यार अच्छा इतने मैंने बड़ा सोच लिया. But I think that's the doubts. Everybody has those doubts. But once you start believing in yourself, where there's will, there's a way. Yes, sir.
Very good. What he is saying is, dream of the moon, try out. If you can't achieve the moon, you will definitely still get the stars.
If I enjoy doing something, do I really need to aspire for something?
That is a aspiration. If you can live your passion, there's no biggest aspiration than that.
Sir, everyone is saying that you need to dream about something, but according to me, I just enjoy my work. That's all. I don't have any dream like I want to be like that or I want to be like that. I just enjoy my work. That's all.
What work do you do?
Whatever I do. Whatever it is.
Oh, you want to say that you will enjoy whatever you do?
Yeah, I enjoy it. So do I really need to aspire for something?
Of course you need to.
No,
if you say that no matter what, काम मुझे कुछ भी दे दीजिए मैं उसको enjoy करूँगा, that means you don't have aspirations. और उससे मैं ये कहूँगा कि आप बड़े छोटे से बन के रह जाएंगे, जिंदगी में आगे नहीं बढ़ पाएंगे.
Okay.
आपको तय करना पड़ेगा कि आप अपना जिंदगी में क्या करना चाहते हैं, क्या अचीव करना चाहते हैं.
So there are certain things I enjoy a lot. I like coding. In computer science, I like coding. So somehow I want to achieve that. I want to be mastering that. But again, I really need to aspire for that. Or I just enjoy that.
You see, if you will do that what you like and what you enjoy doing, that means that is what your talent is. And you will be most successful in that activity, and you will be miserable if somebody tells you, instead of coding in the computer, if somebody tells you to do, let's say, engineering, or a chartered accountancy, you will fail miserably and you will be unhappy. And how do you, Badjai, how do you actually identify what is your talent? ये मैंने पहले भी कई शोज में कहा है that बहुत बार हम लोग as a businessman, as an entrepreneur, we hire people for their experience, their education and their skills. So skills and experience, these can be acquired. But when it comes to talent, that is either you have it or you don't have it. Nobody can teach you talent. And I challenge this to the Wharton School, America, to the dean of the talent management school. They claim that we can enhance your talent. There have been thousands and thousands of books written on talent enhancement. I can challenge them, despite the fact that I am just simply 10th standard pass, and they are doctors and they have done doctorates in so many subjects and everything. I can challenge them and prove them wrong. Talent is either you have by birth or you don't have it. And think about it. Because I urge a lot of educationists that if you study one Mr. Dharampal, he is no more, he is an author, he has written many books. He has written on our ancient education system, Dr. Chitkara. I'll present you the book. And you will find there that the ancient education system of this civilization was based on that individual was assessed by the teacher or guru, that what does this child, young boy, girl likes doing, what are his or her talents, and accordingly they will suggest that this is the study you should do. And that is what gave us, or this country or this civilization, lot of icons to which we even today worship. Whether they were mathematicians, they were scientists, they were educationists. There were many people which this country has given, that education system has given. Today we are preparing ourselves more for materialistic gains. So talent is a very big thing in one's life, and it is very, very important to understand. And I would say that aspiration to do what you like doing, what you enjoy doing, is the biggest aspiration one can aim for.
Sir, you said that talent is something that cannot be, I think, developed, or what do you meant was
Cannot
it is
be transferred.
natural.
Cannot be taught.
Cannot be taught. But sir, you see, my aspiration is to face challenges. I like facing challenges. I said that I love living my life, and if 24 hours were left, I would like to live it the way I'm living it. The reason is that if anybody asks me to do something and I find it challenging, I would like to do it.
You are having lot of striving talent in you.
How can
Everybody can look at my website, dscshow.in. In that you will find a book, small book, little book, about 20-30 pages, which is named as Samvad, means communication and talk. You will find there the kind of talents, 3 kind of talents are explained in that, and then those are written below, which are those. And apply those things on yourself and you will find your talent. So taking challenges is another talent you are born with. Not many people will have that kind of a thing that I want to do all the time challenging things. उसके लिए पागलपन चाहिए, और पागलपन टैलेंट में आता है.
Sir, aspiration changes with the conditions in life. So like middle class child, sir, he has an aspiration to be a millionaire.
Aspirations do keep changing with your age, with your circumstances, with your timing, with a lot of happening around you and many things. But only thing is, एक time में एक aspiration रखिए और फिर उसके पीछे भूत की तरह से पड़ जाइए।